if you want to block mobile data for specific apps on the Motorola Edge 70, what you can do is you can go to the Play Store, and over here we can tap on search in order to try to find an app that allows us to block the mobile data, because unfortunately there is no built-in option. For example, we can use NetGuard. This is an example app that allows you to decide which apps should have access to mobile data and Wi-Fi as well. So once you install the app, we can open it, press I agree over here. We need to enable the NetGuard, so we're going to tap on this switcher in the upper left corner and press OK, and then once again. So just keep tapping OK in order to go through. If you go to app battery usage, we need to find the NetGuard in here. So let's try to find it. There we go. Next, we're going to tap on allow background usage, and you want to set it to unrestricted. And then we can exit these settings. We can tap on this orange text at the top in order to grant permissions for notifications. Over here we have some additional information about the app, so of course we can read them and press OK. And there we go. Now we can start using the app. So if you want to block the access to mobile data, you can simply tap on this icon over here on the right side. This is of course the icon for mobile data, so we can easily block an app over here just like that. So now if this mobile data is deactivated for this app, then I cannot really access the internet in this app unless I use Wi-Fi, but of course Wi-Fi can be disabled as well. Besides that, you can also tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and go to settings, and over here in settings you should be able to find the defaults. So you can decide to, for example, block mobile data for apps by default. So even if you install new apps, they will have automatically the mobile data disabled for them. Of course, you can still decide if you want to add some exceptions in here, and that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.